Web development is a rapidly growing and exciting field that offers a wide range of opportunities for those who are passionate about creating websites and applications that people love. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, the path to becoming a web developer can be intimidating and overwhelming. There are so many technologies, tools, and languages to choose from, and it can be difficult to know where to start. That's why we've put together this ultimate web development roadmap to help guide you on your journey to becoming a web developer. From learning the basics of HTML and CSS to mastering the latest frameworks, this guide covers everything you need to know to become a successful web developer. So, whether you're looking to break into this exciting field, or you're already a seasoned pro, read on to discover our ultimate roadmap to web development. Introduction: why becoming a web developer is a great career choice. In today's digital age, the demand for web developers is skyrocketing. From small businesses to multinational corporations, everyone needs a strong online presence to thrive in the competitive market. This is where web developers come into play. They are the architects behind the websites we visit, the apps we use, and the interactive features we enjoy. But why is becoming a web developer such a great career choice? Firstly, it offers incredible job prospects. According to industry reports, the employment of web developers is projected to grow much faster than the average for all occupations. This means that there will be a plethora of job opportunities available for skilled web developers in the coming years. Secondly, web development offers a creative outlet. As a web developer, you have the power to bring ideas to life through coding and design. You can create visually stunning websites, develop innovative web applications, and craft user-friendly interfaces. It's a field that constantly challenges you to think outside the box and push the boundaries of what's possible on the web. Furthermore, web development is a field that fosters continuous learning and growth. Technology is always evolving, and as a web developer, you need to stay up to date with the latest trends, frameworks, and programming languages. This constant learning not only keeps your skills sharp but also opens up new opportunities for career advancement and specialization. Finally, web development offers the flexibility to work remotely or as a freelancer. With the advent of remote work culture, many companies are embracing the idea of hiring web developers who can work from anywhere in the world. This gives you the freedom to choose your work environment and maintain a healthy work-life balance. In conclusion, becoming a web developer is an excellent career choice for those who are passionate about technology, creativity, and continuous learning. It offers great job prospects, a creative outlet, opportunities for growth, and flexibility. So, if you're ready to embark on a rewarding journey in the world of web development, this ultimate roadmap will guide you every step of the way. Understanding the basics, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. When it comes to becoming a web developer, understanding the basics is crucial. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the foundation of web development, and mastering these languages will set you on the right path to success. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is a standard markup language used for creating the structure and content of web pages. It provides the building blocks for organizing and presenting information on the web. With HTML, you can define headings, paragraphs, lists, images, links, and much more. It is the backbone of every web page, ensuring that it is properly structured and accessible to users. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is a styling language that complements HTML. It allows you to control the appearance of web pages, including the layout, colors, fonts, and other visual aspects. CSS provides the ability to create consistent and visually appealing designs across multiple web pages. By learning CSS, you can enhance the user experience and make your websites visually engaging. JavaScript, on the other hand, is a powerful programming language that adds interactivity and dynamic functionality to web pages. With JavaScript, you can create interactive forms, perform calculations, validate user input, manipulate HTML elements, and even build complex web applications. It is widely used for client-side scripting and is an essential skill for any aspiring web developer. Mastering these 3 foundational languages will give you a solid understanding of how web pages are structured, styled, and made interactive. It is important to spend time practicing and experimenting with these languages, as they form the building blocks of your web development journey. Once you have a grasp of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you will be ready to dive deeper into more advanced topics, such as responsive web design, server-side programming, and database management. But remember, a strong foundation in the basics is the key to becoming a successful web developer. Front-end development, mastering frameworks and libraries. Front-end development is a crucial aspect of becoming a skilled web developer. Once you have a solid foundation in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, it's time to delve into the world of frameworks and libraries. These powerful tools can significantly enhance your productivity and allow you to create stunning and interactive user interfaces. One popular front-end framework is Bootstrap. Developed by Twitter, Bootstrap provides a collection of pre-designed components and responsive layouts that can be easily customized to fit your needs. With Bootstrap, you can quickly create visually appealing websites that are mobile-friendly and optimized for various screen sizes. Another widely used framework is React. Developed by Facebook, React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It follows a component-based architecture, making it easier to manage and reuse code. React allows you to create dynamic and interactive web applications by efficiently updating and rendering components based on data changes. Angular is another powerful front-end framework worth exploring. Developed by Google, Angular is a comprehensive platform for building web applications. It provides a robust set of features, including declarative templates, dependency injection, and data binding. With Angular, you can create scalable and maintainable web applications that offer a seamless user experience. While these frameworks are just a few examples, mastering any of them can greatly elevate your front-end development skills. By understanding their core concepts and exploring their documentation, you will gain the ability to build complex and feature-rich web applications efficiently. It's important to note that frameworks and libraries are constantly evolving, so staying up to date with the latest trends and releases is essential. Joining web development communities, attending conferences, and following industry experts can help you stay informed and continue growing as a front-end developer. Remember, mastering frameworks and libraries is not about using them for the sake of it. It's about leveraging their capabilities to create exceptional user experiences and streamline your development process. So, dive into the world of front-end frameworks and let your creativity flourish as you build impressive websites and applications. Back-end development, diving into server-side programming. When it comes to web development, understanding the backend is essential for creating robust and functional websites. Backend development involves working with server-side programming languages and frameworks that power the behind-the-scenes functionality of a website. Server-side programming allows you to handle data storage, processing, and retrieval, ensuring that your website can handle complex tasks and interact with databases. This is where the magic happens, as you can create dynamic web applications that respond to user input and deliver personalized content. To dive into server-side programming, you'll need to familiarize yourself with programming languages such as Python, Ruby, PHP, or JavaScript, using frameworks like Node.js. These languages provide the foundation for creating server-side logic and handling data. Additionally, you'll need to learn about databases and how to interact with them. Popular options include MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB. Understanding how to design and query databases will enable you to store and retrieve data efficiently. Frameworks and libraries are also crucial in backend development. These tools provide pre-built components and functionalities that accelerate your development process. Examples include Django and Flask for Python, Ruby on Rails for Ruby, Laravel for PHP, and Express.js for Node.js. As you delve into backend development, it's important to understand concepts such as APIs, application programming interfaces, which allow different software systems to communicate with each other. You'll also need to learn about security practices, data validation, and server management. Remember, backend development is a vast field, and you'll continuously be learning and expanding your skills as you progress. Embrace the challenges, stay curious, and practice building real-world projects to solidify your understanding and gain hands-on experience. By diving into server-side programming, you'll unlock the power to create dynamic and interactive websites that provide seamless user experiences. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your favorite programming language, and embark on the exciting journey of backend development, databases and data management, learning SQL and NoSQL. When it comes to web development, understanding databases and data management is crucial. Databases are at the core of most web applications, storing and organizing data that powers dynamic websites and web-based applications. In this section, we will explore the two main types of databases, SQL and NoSQL. SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language, is a language used for managing relational databases. It provides a standardized way to interact with databases, allowing you to create, modify, and retrieve data efficiently. SQL databases are known for their ability to handle complex relationships between tables, making them suitable for applications that require structured data and transactional integrity. On the other hand, NoSQL databases, which stands for not only SQL, offer a more flexible and scalable approach to data management. Unlike SQL databases, NoSQL databases do not rely on a fixed schema and can handle unstructured or semi-structured data more effectively. They are designed to handle large amounts of data and high traffic loads, making them ideal for applications that require high performance and scalability. To become a well-rounded web developer, it is important to have a solid understanding of both SQL and NoSQL databases. Learning SQL will enable you to work with popular relational database management systems such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle. You will learn to write complex queries, create tables, define relationships, and optimize database performance. On the other hand, learning NoSQL databases will introduce you to a range of technologies like MongoDB, Cassandra, and Redis. You will understand the different data models offered by NoSQL databases, such as key-value, document, columnar, and graph. This knowledge will allow you to choose the right database based on the requirements of your projects and effectively manage data in a non-relational context. By familiarizing yourself with both SQL and NoSQL databases, you will have a comprehensive toolkit for handling data in web development. Whether you are building e-commerce websites, social media platforms, or data-driven applications, your knowledge of databases and data management will be invaluable in creating efficient, scalable, and robust web solutions. Version control and collaboration, Git and GitHub. Version control and collaboration are essential aspects of web development that every aspiring web developer should master. One of the most widely used version control systems in the industry is Git, along with its popular hosting platform, GitHub. Git allows developers to track changes made to their codebase over time, providing a reliable and efficient way to manage different versions of their projects. With Git, you can easily revert back to previous versions, create branches to work on different features simultaneously, and merge changes seamlessly. GitHub, on the other hand, is a web-based platform that hosts Git repositories. It enables developers to collaborate with team members, share code, and contribute to open-source projects. GitHub provides a centralized hub for code collaboration, issue tracking, and project management. By learning Git and GitHub, you can enhance your productivity as a web developer. You will have a systematic approach to managing code changes, reducing the risk of errors and conflicts. Additionally, you can collaborate seamlessly with other developers, contributing to a more efficient and organized development process. To get started with Git and GitHub, there are numerous online tutorials and resources available. You can learn the basic commands of Git, such as initializing a repository, creating branches, committing changes, and pushing to remote repositories. Familiarizing yourself with GitHub's features, like pull requests and code reviews, will empower you to actively participate in collaborative projects. Ultimately, mastering Git and GitHub will not only boost your web development skills but also make you a valuable asset in the industry. Employers and clients often prioritize candidates with version control and collaboration expertise, as it demonstrates professionalism and effective teamwork. So, dive into the world of Git and GitHub and unlock the full potential of your web development journey. Web security, protecting your code and user data. When it comes to web development, ensuring the security of your code and user data is of utmost importance. With cyber threats becoming increasingly sophisticated, it is crucial for web developers to stay vigilant and implement robust security measures. One of the first steps in protecting your code is to regularly update your software and plugins. These updates often include security patches that address vulnerabilities and protect against potential attacks. Ignoring these updates can leave your website exposed to hackers and malicious activities. Implementing secure coding practices is also essential. This involves writing clean and secure code, avoiding common vulnerabilities such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting excesses, and sanitizing user inputs to prevent any malicious actions. In addition to securing your code, protecting user data is paramount. This can be achieved through various means such as encryption, secure login mechanisms, and implementing strong password policies. Storing sensitive information in hashed or encrypted formats adds an extra layer of security, making it difficult for attackers to decipher the data even if they gain unauthorized access. Regular backups are another crucial aspect of web security. In the unfortunate event of a security breach or data loss, having backups ensures that you can quickly restore your website to a previous state and minimize the impact on your users. Lastly, staying informed about the latest security threats and trends is vital. Joining web development communities, attending conferences, and keeping up with industry news can help you stay ahead of emerging threats and adopt best practices to protect your code and user data. By prioritizing web security and taking proactive measures, you can ensure that your websites and web applications are well guarded against potential threats, providing a safe and secure experience for your users. Responsive design and mobile optimization, creating websites for all devices. In today's digital age, having a website that is responsive and optimized for mobile devices is no longer an option, but a necessity. With the increasing number of people accessing the internet through their smartphones and tablets, it is crucial for web developers to prioritize creating websites that provide a seamless user experience across all devices. Responsive design is the practice of designing and developing websites that automatically adjust and adapt to different screen sizes and resolutions. This means that whether a user is viewing the website on a desktop computer, a laptop, a tablet, or a smartphone, the layout and content of the website will respond and rearrange itself to fit the screen perfectly. This ensures that users can easily navigate and interact with the website, regardless of the device they are using. Mobile optimization goes hand in hand with responsive design. It involves optimizing the website's performance, speed, and functionality specifically for mobile devices. This includes optimizing images and videos to reduce load times, using mobile-friendly navigation menus, and ensuring that buttons and links are easy to tap with a finger. By implementing responsive design and mobile optimization techniques, web developers can create websites that are accessible and user-friendly for all visitors, regardless of the device they are using. This not only enhances the overall user experience but also improves search engine rankings, as search engines like Google prioritize mobile-friendly websites in their search results. In conclusion, responsive design and mobile optimization are essential skills for web developers in today's mobile-driven world. By mastering these techniques, developers can ensure that their websites are accessible, user-friendly, and capable of reaching a wider audience across various devices. Testing and debugging, ensuring your code is error-free. Once you have written your code and built your web application, it's crucial to thoroughly test and debug it to ensure that it is error-free. Testing and debugging are essential steps in the web development process, as they help identify and fix any issues or bugs in your code that may affect the functionality and performance of your website. There are various testing techniques and tools available to aid in this process. Unit testing allows you to test individual components or units of your code to ensure that they function correctly in isolation. Integration testing is used to test the interaction between different components of your code to ensure that they work together seamlessly. Regression testing helps identify any new bugs that may have been introduced after making changes to your code. In addition to these testing techniques, it's important to perform thorough user testing to gather feedback from real users and identify any usability or functionality issues that may have been overlooked. This can be done through beta testing or by creating a focus group to test your web application and provide valuable insights. When it comes to debugging, it's important to have a systematic approach. Start by identifying the specific issue or bug by analyzing error messages, logs, and user reports. Use debugging tools and techniques, such as breakpoints and logging, to narrow down the cause of the issue. Once the bug is identified, fix it by modifying the code accordingly, and then retest to ensure that the issue has been resolved. Remember, testing and debugging are iterative processes. It's important to continuously test your code as you make changes and updates to your web application. By investing time and effort in thorough testing and debugging, you can ensure that your code is error-free, resulting in a high-quality and reliable web application. Deployment and hosting, getting your website live on the internet. Congratulations! You've reached a major milestone in your web development journey. It's time to get your website live on the internet. Deployment and hosting are essential steps that will showcase your hard work to the world. First things first, you need to choose a reliable web hosting provider. There are several options available, ranging from shared hosting to dedicated servers. Consider your website's needs, such as anticipated traffic, storage requirements, and budget, before making a decision. It's crucial to select a hosting plan that can handle your website's demands without compromising performance. Once you've chosen a hosting provider, you'll need to deploy your website to the server. There are different methods you can use, depending on your development stack. If you're working with a content management system, CMS, like WordPress, you can typically use a one-click installer provided by your hosting company. This simplifies the deployment process and makes it easier for beginners. For more advanced projects, manual deployment may be required. This involves transferring your website files to the server using FTP, file transfer protocol, or a version control system like Git. Additionally, you'll need to set up your domain name and configure DNS, domain name system, settings to point to your hosting server. Before making your website live, it's crucial to thoroughly test it on the hosting environment. This ensures that all functionalities work as expected and that the website is optimized for performance. Check for broken links, test forms, and ensure that the design is responsive on different devices and browsers. Taking the time to troubleshoot and fix any issues before launch will help provide a seamless user experience. Finally, it's time to hit the publish button and make your website live on the internet. This moment signifies the culmination of your hard work and dedication. Remember to monitor your website's performance regularly, implement security measures, and keep your software and plugins up to date to ensure a smooth and secure user experience. Congratulations on successfully deploying and hosting your website. It's an exciting step towards establishing your online presence as a web developer. Now, it's time to focus on promoting your website, optimizing it for search engines, and continually improving your skills to stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of web development. Continuous learning, staying updated with the latest trends and technologies. In the ever-evolving world of web development, staying updated with the latest trends and technologies is crucial to ensure success and maintain a competitive edge. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and new tools, frameworks, and techniques emerge regularly. As a web developer, it is essential to embrace continuous learning and make it a part of your professional journey. This means dedicating time and effort to stay on top of industry trends, attend conferences, participate in online communities, and explore new resources. One way to stay updated is by following reputable industry blogs, podcasts, and newsletters. These platforms often provide valuable insights, tutorials, and discussions on the latest web development trends, frameworks, and best practices. Additionally, joining web development communities and forums can be immensely beneficial. Engaging in discussions with fellow developers, sharing experiences, and seeking advice can help you broaden your knowledge base and keep up with the dynamic nature of the field. Another effective strategy is to continuously explore and experiment with new technologies and frameworks. By staying curious and being willing to try new tools, you can expand your skill set and adapt to the changing demands of the industry. This can involve building side projects, participating in open source initiatives, or contributing to online coding communities. Furthermore, attending web development conferences and workshops can provide invaluable networking opportunities and first-hand exposure to emerging trends. These events often feature industry experts who share their insights and experiences, allowing you to gain practical knowledge and connect with like-minded professionals. Remember, continuous learning is not only about acquiring new knowledge, it's also about honing your existing skills. Regularly revisiting core concepts, refining your coding techniques, and staying up to date with best practices can help you maintain high standards of quality in your work. In conclusion, web development is a field that demands constant adaptation and growth. By embracing continuous learning, staying updated with the latest trends and technologies, and engaging with the developer community, you can ensure that you remain at the forefront of the web development industry and pave the way for a successful and fulfilling career. Building your portfolio and landing your dream job. Building a strong portfolio is crucial when it comes to landing your dream job as a web developer. As the saying goes, show, don't tell. Employers want to see tangible evidence of your skills and capabilities in action. A well-crafted portfolio not only showcases your technical expertise but also demonstrates your creativity, problem-solving abilities, and attention to detail. When curating your portfolio, it's essential to include a diverse range of projects that highlight your versatility. Start by selecting your best work and organizing it in a visually appealing manner. Remember to provide context for each project, explaining the goals, challenges, and solutions implemented. Potential employers want to understand the thought process behind your work and how you approached different projects. Consider including a mix of personal and professional projects to demonstrate your passion and commitment to web development. Personal projects can showcase your ability to work independently and explore innovative ideas. On the other hand, professional projects demonstrate your ability to collaborate with clients and deliver results within specific requirements and deadlines. In addition to showcasing your technical skills, your portfolio should also reflect your ability to create user-friendly and visually appealing websites. Pay attention to the design and layout of your portfolio itself, ensuring it is intuitive to navigate and visually engaging. A well-designed portfolio can leave a lasting impression on employers and set you apart from other candidates. Furthermore, don't be afraid to include any freelance work, internships, or volunteer projects you have undertaken. Even if they were not paid positions, they still provide valuable experience and demonstrate your commitment to continuous learning and growth within the field. Lastly, it's important to regularly update your portfolio as you complete new projects or acquire new skills. As you gain more experience and refine your abilities, make sure your portfolio accurately reflects your current capabilities. Remember, Your portfolio is a dynamic representation of your skills and expertise, so keep it fresh and relevant. By investing time and effort into building a strong portfolio, you increase your chances of landing your dream job as a web developer. A well-curated portfolio not only showcases your abilities but also demonstrates your dedication and passion for the craft. So, start compiling your best work, create an impressive online presence, and get ready to impress potential employees with your skills and expertise. Conclusion: the journey of becoming a web developer. Congratulations! You have reached the end of this ultimate web development roadmap. The journey of becoming a web developer is no easy feat, but with dedication, persistence, and the right resources, you can achieve your goal. Throughout this roadmap, we have covered various aspects of web development, starting from the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and progressing to more advanced topics such as responsive design, backend development, and databases. We have also explored popular frameworks and libraries like React, Angular, and Node.js, which can enhance your development skills and make you a valuable asset in the industry. Remember, becoming a web developer is a continuous learning process. Technology is constantly evolving, and new tools and frameworks emerge regularly. Keep yourself updated with the latest trends and best practices by following industry blogs, attending web development conferences, and participating in online communities. It is also essential to practice what you have learned. Build your own projects, contribute to open source projects, and collaborate with other developers. This hands-on experience will not only solidify your knowledge but also showcase your skills to potential employers or clients. Lastly, never underestimate the power of networking. Connect with other web developers, join online communities, and attend local meetups. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals will not only provide you with support, but also open doors to new opportunities. Remember, the journey to becoming a web developer may have its challenges, but it is also an incredibly rewarding and fulfilling career path. Embrace the learning process, stay curious, and enjoy the thrill of creating something impactful on the web. Good luck on your web development journey, and may your future be filled with endless possibilities. We hope you found our video on the ultimate web development roadmap informative and helpful. Becoming a web developer can be an exciting and rewarding career choice, but it can also feel overwhelming with the vast amount of information and skills to acquire. Our roadmap breaks down the journey into manageable steps, guiding you through the essential skills, languages, and frameworks you need to learn. Remember, becoming a web developer is a continuous learning process, and this roadmap serves as a foundation to get started. Embrace the journey, practice regularly, and never stop exploring new technologies and techniques. We wish you the best of luck on your path to becoming a successful web developer. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple explanations of complex topics. See you next time.